What is trigonometry? It is made up of two Greek words, trigonon, meaning triangle, and metron, meaning measure. Literally, it is the branch of mathematics that deals with the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. It have some ratios called trigonometric ratios. First ratio we have to study is sine, which is the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse in a right triangle. Consider a right triangle. Let this angle be theta. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and it is the longest side. Now label the side opposite to theta as the perpendicular, and the remaining side is the base. If this angle would be theta, perpendicular and base would interchange their positions, but the hypotenuse always remains the same side. Sine of theta equals p upon h. The next ratio is the ratio of base and hypotenuse, called cosine. Cosine of theta equals b upon h. Next ratio is the ratio of sine upon cosine, or the tangent. Tangent of theta equals sine theta upon cos theta, or p by h upon b by h, which equals p upon b. We have studied first three ratios, the other three are just reciprocals of these. So let's study them. The reciprocal of cos theta is called secant of theta. Secant of theta equals h upon b. Similarly, reciprocal of sine is called cosecant. Cosecant of theta equals h upon p. Reciprocal of tan theta is the cotangent of theta, which is b upon p. These are all 6 trigs. If you like this video, subscribe.